Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing data and accessing the right tools. First, back up the partition you will remove and confirm the backup. Once done, sign in as administrator. Make sure any drive encryption is disabled so you won't lock yourself out. Now start disk management in Windows or boot to Windows PE/installer USB if the partition holds system files. This gets you into the environment to safely delete a partition without accidental system damage. So start the deletion process now. You will now remove the partition itself. In disk management, carefully confirm the partition by size and label, then right-click and choose Delete Volume. This frees the space. For more control, run disk part, select disk N, list partition, select partition M, then delete partition. If the partition is a protected EFI or recovery type, boot from Install Media and use disk part with Delete Partition Override or Clean on the whole disk. Make sure you really selected the correct disk before issuing destructive commands. You finish by reclaiming and preparing the freed space. If you want one contiguous drive, extend the nearby volume into the unallocated space or create a new simple volume and format it with NTFS or XFAT, then assign a drive letter. Make sure to update any imaging or backup catalogs. If you removed a system partition and the PC won't boot, use Install Media to run automatic repair or use bootrec/fixboot and /rebuild. That single repair step usually restores boot functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.